The Supreme Court refusing to intervene with the decision of the authorities to reduce the number of attempts for the JEE, which is the joint entrance examination that permits entry to the prestigious IITs. SE has granted relief to petitioners who dropped out of their courses, but it has also refused to reduce the attempts. Remember that it was on the 24th of November that the number of attempts was increased, but the number of attempts later was also reduced. Petitioners have said that this decision caused damage. Now, Supreme Court has also said that dropouts will be eligible for 3 attempts. Let's get my colleague Nupur to help us understand the implications of this decision. Nupur, over to you. What is the Supreme Court saying exactly with regard to the JEE examination?
Yes, today actually indeed the Supreme Court has refused to step in and interfere with the authorities' decision to reduce the number of attempts from 3 to 2. The Supreme Court, however, has granted relief for students who had actually dropped out of their courses from in between November 5 to November 18 by allowing them to take part in the exam. So the matter is actually the dispute came up when on November 5, the Joint Administration Board had said that it would give 3 attempts for JEE Advanced. However, within 2 weeks, like on November 18, the JAB reversed the decision and said that the students will only be given 2 attempts, like they were given before. So some of the petitioners came up to the Supreme Court and they said that they had dropped out of their engineering courses after November 5 announcement because they thought that they may have a chance to get an admission, to secure admission if they give attempts 3 times, for the 3rd time if they appear for the examination. But today, Supreme Court, keeping in view of that, the students have some of the students have dropped out from their courses. They granted relief to those students who have dropped out between the dates due to the announcement by JAB. Said that they would be allowed to give an extra attempt. However, the Supreme Court said that it will not interfere with the authorities' decision to reduce the attempt from 3 to 2.